Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Hula AI Video Generator app. All right, let's begin. First, download the Hula AI app from the Play Store and open it on your phone. Once inside, tap the Discover tab at the bottom left. Here, you can explore different video styles, presets, and effects. When you find one you like, tap. Try to test it out. You can also browse through stickers and packs available in the Stickers section for more customization options. Next, go to the Video tab at the bottom right. This is where you can create various AI-generated videos such as photo-to-video, camera motion, and nano people animations. Select any style you want to use. For example, choose a preset and tap Generate. You'll then need to allow the app access to your gallery and upload a video or image. Once uploaded, the AI will process it and generate a creative video in your chosen style. You can preview, save, and share the result directly from the app. So that's basically how you can use the Hula AI Video Generator app. That's it for this video. Thanks.